Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily change your date and time preferences. So for doing this you just need to click on your date and time, and here you will choose open date and time preferences. So just click on it, and after you click on it you will see this window. So you just need to click the lock to make changes. So just write your password here, and now you can also set date and time automatically. So here you can see, and also you can after you click here, so you can set date and time manually. You can change your date and time, here you can see, and just change your clock. So after you do it, just click on the save, and clock here, lock here, and it will successfully save all the changes you make. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.